Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the LYOOWNG 3-pack 3-prong to 2-prong adapter grounding converter. If you're looking for the best 3-prong adapter for your car or any indoor use, this might just be it. The LYOOWNG 3-prong to 2-prong adapter is designed to convert 3-pin grounded outlets to 2-pin outlets, offering added safety and functionality. It's perfect for older homes or places where you need to add grounding protection quickly and easily. It enhances safety by providing grounding where it might be missing. It's versatile, working with a wide range of electrical appliances and devices. You save space and hassle, especially in older buildings or areas with limited outlets. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to use. Simply find your 2-prong outlet, plug in the adapter securely, and you're good to go. It's a straightforward solution to a common problem. Compared to other adapters on the market, the LYOOWNG stands out for its build quality, reliability, and affordability. While some adapters may be bulkier or less durable, this one strikes a balance between functionality and convenience. To wrap it up, if you're in need of a reliable 3-prong to 2-prong adapter for your home, office, or even for travel, the LYOOWNG 3-pack offers excellent value and peace of mind. It's simple yet effective, ensuring your devices are safely grounded. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and where you can get yours. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews. See you next time.